from the grammar book, and we are doing exercise C on page number 127. Page number 127 under the chapter active and passive voice. Question number 1 to 5 we have already discussed. Indonesia was devastated by a tsunami. First of all, the word devastated means destroyed. Okay. Now, since the helping verb is was, it means the tense is simple past. Write down. If you have written, please tally. If you have not written, please write. Simple past. Question number 7. Traffic rules must be followed by all people. Traffic rules must be followed by all people. Now, it can be both ways because followed can be simple past also, but since this is a universal fact, since this is a truth, like sun rises in the east, for example, so traffic rules must be followed by all people. So this can also be simple present. Simple present, because this is a universal fact. Question number 8. Rooms were. What is the helping verb? W-E-R-E, were. It means this is simple past. Simple past. Question number 8. Simple past. All those who are joining the classes regularly, I hope you have written the answers till answer number 10. Question number 9. The computer has been shut down. Now, has been means present perfect. Has been means present perfect. In exam, you have to mention the tense. While you write the sentence, please mention the tense. Don't mention where is subject, where is object, को underline वाले नहीं लिखने हैं, but do mention the tense in the bracket. Have I made this clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Question number 10. In the film Devdas, the role was played by Shah Rukh Khan. Now, was simple past. This is again simple past. Clear now, everybody? Let us begin with the 11th question today. A strike was called by the workers to protest against their low wages. It is written a strike was called. Okay? Called is the verb and just before the verb, was is the helping verb. And this is simple past. In the bracket, write down simple past. Now, just to save your time, I am telling you this answer. The workers called a strike. The workers called a strike to protest against their low wages. I repeat, the workers called a strike to protest against their THEIR, their low wages. Simple past in the active voice. Question number 12. This year, the decorations for Ganesh Chaturthi were done by the people of the locality. This is simple past. Simple past. Write the answer. This year, comma, this year, comma, the people of the locality, now were done will change into did, D-I-D, did. This year, comma, the people of the locality did the decorations for Ganesh Chaturthi. Write the spelling correct. This year, comma, the people of the locality did the decorations for Ganesh Chaturthi. That's it. It is simple past. Question number 13, 1-3. Let me read the question. During the Chipko movement, the trees were protected by women. So this becomes very easy. You just have to pick the helping verb and find out what is the tense. This is simple past. Simple past. Answer. And the active voice now. During the Chipko movement, during the Chipko movement, comma, women protected the trees. WOMEN, plural term. Women protected the trees. Full stop. During the Chipko movement, comma, women protected the trees. Question number 14. In many households in India, most of the housework is shared by the family members. Is means simple present. Simple present. So children, is this getting easy for you now?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. You just have to understand the verb and the tenses concept. That is it. Then it becomes active passive becomes very easy. Okay, it is simple present because is written. Is written. Write the answer. In many households in India, comma, in many households in India, comma, the family members share most of the housework.
Ma'am, share or shared?
Share.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Because members is having the plural word. Huh? In many households in India, the family members will have S and share will not have S. Family members share most of the housework. And the last one very quickly, women are still not treated well by men in many homes across India. Answer. Men still do not, men still do not treat women. Treat women. It is WOMEN. Treat women well in many homes across India. So this is an additional phrase. You can copy it just like that. Men still do not treat women well in many homes across India. Full stop. That's it. Now children, any confusion with anybody for this exercise? I'm talking about
No, ma'am.
only exercise C. If you've missed out the tense for any sentence,
Ma'am, what's
Ma'am,
the
what
tense
is
yes,
the tense of the 15th?
of the 15th point?
please say it one by one. Yes, Heather Shah, what are you saying?
Ma'am, what is the tense of the 15th one?
15th one, you tell me. R-A-R-E.
Ma'am, simple present.
Yes, that is simple present. So you just have to pick the helping verb and you will get to know what is the tense. So the last one is simple present. Okay, any other example? Fine. Quickly turn to page number 128. Exercise D. Did I ask you to copy exercise D also?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, so write down, take 2 minutes and write down question number D1. So children, please quickly copy down question number D1. I will do the first one with you and remaining 5 you can do at home and we will tally it in the class. Do we have a class on Monday?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
the second timetable? Very good. Very good. So let us do the first one so that you at least know what is to be done. The following sentences are in the passive voice. Spot the errors and correct them. The thieves have arrested by the police. Okay, it will be interesting. You tell me, what is the error in this?
Sir,
Ma'am,
ma'am, the position of
Ma'am,
thieves.
have
Ma'am,
is
the
the.
error is have.
Look at the way you are shouting. Stop. Arav, what are you saying?
Ma'am, the error is have.
Acha, bolo. Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, the thieves
Tell-
are
You just
arrested
don't
by
have
the
to spot the
police.
word. You have to replace the sentence, whole sentence.
Ma'am, the police has arrested the thieves.
Dekho, in this exercise, if the sentence is in passive, it will continue to remain in passive. Okay? We will not have to change it. You tell me, this is a sentence. The thieves have arrested by the police. Now, if have is written, where is been? This is what you have to find out. Have लिखा है तो been भी तो होना चाहिए. Been should also be there. That means this is a mistake. So the answer will be, let me do the first one with you, then you will be able to do. The thieves have been arrested, write the answer. The thieves have been arrested by the police. Now the sentence is correct. You don't have to change the voice. You don't have to convert it into active. It will remain in passive. You just have to tell if this is a passive sentence, what will be the correct form of this. If all the words which are required have they been written? If the sentence is written as per the rules or not. So if have is written, BEE and been has to be there because this is passive. So you will write the thieves have been arrested by the police. And in the bracket you write down what is the tense?
Ma'am, present perfect.
Very nice. This is present perfect. Okay. Question number 2. Do not change the voice. Just tell me the correct sentence. He has invited to their party. This is wrong.
Ma'am,
He has invited to. It is the same error.
Ma'am, he-
Now let me tell you, it is the same error. Heather,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, he has been invited to their party is the correct sentence.
the same error. BEE and been is missing. He has been invited to their party. He has been invited to their party. Okay? Present perfect. Present perfect. Always write the tense. Otherwise, it becomes difficult for you to understand. Present perfect. He has been invited to their party. Zaid Khan, third one. Okay, people are doing. Let us do, if we have time, we can complete this exercise only. Radhika taught by The error is there. Radhika taught by the famous Professor Shinde.
Ma'am, it will be Radhika has been taught by the famous Professor Shinde.
Okay. Kabir, what you have to say?
Ma'am, Radhika was taught by the famous Professor Shinde.
Actually, both are correct. What Zaid said is also correct and what Kabir said is also correct. Because the helping verb is missing. We don't know the tense. So we can either convert it into simple or we can convert it into present as, perfect as well. Now write down. Radhika was taught, let us keep it simple only. Radhika was taught by the famous Professor Shinde. Radhika was taught by the famous Professor Shinde. Now the book is not telling you what is the tense. You have decided what is the tense. Right? This time you have decided what is the tense. So this is simple past. Right? Simple past. We still have time. We can take up question number 4 also. Some more people. Avya, can you tell us the fourth one? The car fixed by the mechanic.
The car was fixed by the mechanic.
Very good. We are free to decide if it is perfect or if it is simple because helping verb was missing. So you can write the car was fixed by the mechanic and this becomes simple past. The car was fixed by the mechanic. Simple past. Now this is also correct and this will also be correct. The car has been fixed. If you write has been fixed, then it will become present perfect. But हम वो नहीं लिख रहे हैं, हम simple past लिख रहे हैं. Okay? Question number 5. The book delivered at your address. Shanza was raising hand.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The book has been delivered to your address.
Okay. Zaid, what do you have to say?
Ma'am, the books are delivered at your address.
Okay. That is also correct. We can take that also. Avya, wait a minute, children. Do not write anything. Let us get all these examples and then we will decide which is the best suiting. Yes, Avya.
Yes, ma'am. The books were delivered at your address.
This is also correct. Heather Shah, what do you have to say?
Yes, ma'am. The books was delivered at your address.
No. Books were. Was named, not was. Okay, fine. Any other example, children? Now let me give you a new one. We have not done any sentence with the future tense. अभी तक तो कोई sentence नहीं लिखा. Let us write this in the future tense. The books will be delivered. Now when we write will be, then it gets converted into future, simple future passive voice. Simple future passive voice. Right now, the books will be, so that you know how to make use of future tense also. The books will be delivered at your address. Now let me tell you, children, we can change it into any tense we want because the choice of helping verb is ours. When the choice of helping verb is ours, we can change it into the desired tense we want. Right? So all the suggestions that you people gave, all of them are correct. Whatever you choose, write the specific tense. The books will be delivered at your address. This is future, simple future. Simple future. Now, their invitation accepted with pleasure. What is this? Okay. Say yes, Shanza. Shanza.
Yes, ma'am. Their invitation has been accepted with pleasure.
Okay, fine. This is right. Yes, Kabir.
Their
Some mics are on and
invitation,
sound, and it is very noisy at their home. Huh.
their
Their
invitation
invitation
was accepted with pleasure.
with pleasure. Yes, this is also right. So we will write the perfect tense wala example. Please write down their invitation has been accepted. Their invitation has been accepted with pleasure. Their invitation has been accepted with pleasure. So children, with this we come to the end of this exercise. Please write all the questions of exercise E. This is your homework.